guys, so today I'm going to colour my hair pink. So the first thing we're going to do is change tops. Perfect. I'm going to use a top that I can fuck up, and I just realised I'm going to stay in mode. It doesn't matter. It'll look like a tan, but like pink tan. So this is the product I'm going to be using. It's called oVertone. I got Pastel pink, but I bought this before I even dyed my fucking hair. Meaning that I have quite dark pink compared to it, and it's not going to do much to my hair. What I'm hoping is that it's going to fix some of the patchiness in my hair, because some of my hair is quite brown or orange, or I don't know what the fuck that colour is. I have shampooed my hair, I haven't done anything else to it, that's why it looks so shit. Yeah, we're just going to apply the oVertone. I'd just like to say I have no fucking clue what I'm doing. So yeah, I'm going to be sectioning hair for the first time using these lovely clips I just got. Oh, so good. And talking like Miranda sings apparently. So I've decided to do this on my dry hair because it's apparently supposed to be brighter. It's a little bit damp from when I shampooed it earlier, but it should do. I'm just going to comb it out a little bit because putting only shampoo on has made my hair all knotty again. So, ow. I just like to state that this is definitely not a beauty vlog channel, because I am not interested in beauty. I just love fucking up my hair. So about a month and a half ago or something, I got my hair bleached, dyed 3 times before anything happened to it. My roots seem to catch on quite quickly, but the ends are very faded, and they just nothing happens to my ends. I don't know why. I've been using this Nyla Pink Pop Color Refresh, and it's been doing wonders to my roots, but nothing to my ends. And I have, yeah, lots of brown. I already showed you, so I'm showing that. Yeah, so I'm just going to start by sectioning my hair somehow, because I have no idea how the fuck to section hair. I guess I'll do a time lapse on this with some cool music. After trying and failing to section my hair because I have no idea how to apply these clips, I'll have to look that up on YouTube later. I've decided I am just going to try and apply it strand by strand and see how that goes. Not forgetting my lovely gloves that I got online. I feel like a chemist over here. I have very little space to work on, so please excuse me as you hear many things fall. And this is running out. Let's put some light on. Hey! I can see myself. Ugh. Yes, it smells lovely. I was initially going to use this, but I was like, well, how about no? Here we go. This is the product I've been meaning to use for so long. It smells of mint, if anyone's interested. don't know. Now, I watched this morning, I was watching some fail videos on people trying to cut their hair and stuff. Oh, wow. And I feel like this video might end up in one of those videos. Now, this is pastel pink, so it shouldn't stain my skin too much, but if it does, I'm sure you guys, some of you work with me, so you'll probably have seen it before I even upload this video. No fucking clue what I'm doing. That's okay. Now it's probably not going to do much to my roots. I'm gonna try and put some in anyway. Now I've been told that I have to add quite a bit of it, so I'm hoping that I have enough for my whole head. Because if not, oh, this is the only type I have. And what might be a problem is these roots. I don't quite know how to do them. Like I've said, I don't know what I'm doing. Lovely mint. I have plenty of it to work with though, so that's good. as stainy as the Vibrant and Extreme versions I've heard. I kind of fucking hope so. So yeah, I'm just gonna comb through it. I'll be right back because there's no bin here to throw these away. So I'll be right back, and then we'll comb the shit out of this hair and wait for about 15 minutes. Take it out and then put it in a fail video. And yes, I did use the whole top. I kind of reckon I would need to use the whole thing because they said to use quite a lot of it, so I did, and I have got this shit everywhere. Now apparently with oVertone you can use hot water, which is awesome, because I used to have to take cold showers. I did use the brush in the end just to try and get my roots, but they're very dark and I don't think they'll actually catch on at all. The colour consultant told me anyway. And that's one thing about oVertone. Oh yeah, the pink is coming off the sink, which is good, because this isn't my sink. I will probably have to be very careful with the extreme colour, because I feel like it's going to stain so much. So I'm going to have to be a lot more careful with it. It's good that I have the pastel just so I can see what that does. How much it does stain the sink a little bit, but I'm managing to get it off. Got some of my fingers still, how? Let's comb through it with my very brown comb, which is going to turn very pink. I really think that sectioning would be better, but I'm no expert. Like, I literally have no idea what I'm doing. I don't know anything about hair, and you know, I'm not very into the whole beauty thing. I'm just doing this because I love coloured hair. But I wasn't able to get at the roots because of that. I don't know how to section my hair, and I'm not someone who likes to take the time to figure this shit out. It's probably gonna cost me, but we'll see. Now, if you really want pastel pink hair, you're not gonna get it unless you have platinum blonde hair. Now, this is stuff I've read, okay? I'm not pretending to be an expert, but this is stuff I've read, and that has been confirmed by colour consultants, hairdressers. If you want pastel pink hair, prepare to do a lot of bleaching. And apparently, from what I hear, even if you have quite blonde hair, it doesn't necessarily mean that you're going to get very pastel hair. I picked the worst colour to start dyeing my hair. Pink is a very hard colour to maintain. I mean, red isn't much better, but pink is a really kind of sensitive. It's a sensitive colour because it's a very feminine colour. I don't even know why I chose pink. It's just, it's a classy colour, okay? It smells so minty, I like it. Some people have been complaining about the mint smell, like, I don't want my hair to smell of mint when I call these people women. I'm sorry. So now all I have to do is wait for 15 minutes. My question is it going to do anything to my brown hair, my roots? Now, the answer that I would prefer is no. Because if it does something to my hair, it might just turn it some weird kind of orange colour, but I don't think so. Here's something you need to remember is that hair dye, or in this case hair pigmentation, because it's not dye, does not lift colour, so it doesn't lighten your hair in any kind of way. If you want to lighten your hair, you have to bleach it. Pink. Probably lots of pink. Now also I'm quite afraid that I haven't really spread it around properly. Like I said, I don't know about sectioning. I wasn't able to do it with these fucking clips because I don't know how to use them. This is very experimental. But yeah, actually, I would like to talk about oVertone for a minute. It's a brand that I found out about through Marcia Bazonian on YouTube. She's kind of the reason I chose pink as a colour. I went to see the website. One pleasant surprise I got was that the other day I was looking at the oVertone reviews, and I was just looking at the reviews, and then suddenly I see a chat box pop up in the left corner, and it's a colour consultant I see, and they ask, would you like help choosing a color? I thought it was some kind of automatic message or something. I was like, so I replied. I was like, yeah. I don't even remember what I said. No, it's I was asking about how this pastel pink I bought would mix with my current pink hair. And then she said, oh, could I have a picture? I was like, whoa, this is a real person. I've never seen that before. Welcome to the future. So she told me it'd probably help with the patchiness a little bit. I don't even know how long it's been. I don't think I have my phone with me. Well, let's say it's been on for about 5 minutes. It's also been on my forehead for 5 minutes. I'm starting to grow a little bit afraid. I am quite afraid that the fact that I haven't been able to spread it evenly because I don't know how to section hair might have an effect. The hair was already quite dark pink, so I don't think it will do very much really. I can feel it kind of getting hot. I don't know, maybe that's just me. I think I'm going to try and get rid of these stains on my forehead because it's actually kind of starting to worry me. We had to use special product to get rid of it on the door, which I accidentally stained. But it came off. But I'm thinking with the extreme, it is not coming off. I'll show you guys the result after I washed it. I'll wash it in a few minutes, I guess. Yeah, I'm gonna let it dry on its own. I'm also gonna use some normal conditioner and hair mask because I hear that it's supposed to be quite soft after doing this, but my hair is very stubborn and dry and stupid. What's interesting is I'm going to work tomorrow with pink ears. I hope I don't stay in the shower. This is going to be my oVertone top. This is my oVertone top. It's going to be pink and later blue when I change my mind on the color. Right, you can fuck off now. You know I'm needed.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
I feel like it has revived some of the color, and it's still wet, so I can't tell really. I see some dark, but I'm hoping maybe it's just because my hair's wet and that it's really kind of dyed a little bit pink, like at least it's a little bit pinker than, you know, brown. I just can't wait for it to dry. I just have this instinct to film even though I have no results or anything else to show. So how's your day going? I gotta say, I was quite tempted to dye my eyebrows as well, even though I know you should never ever use oVertone on anything other than your hair. Anything. Okay, well I guess I'll wait an hour or two and then I'll be back. Holy shit guys, it actually worked. I've still got a bit of brown here, but quite honestly it's actually been able to even out my colour. You know what? We're gonna go back to the bathroom where we initially began, just to get a better frame of reference. Here we are back in the same bathroom, the same kind of lighting, and like I said, I'm impressed. There's still a little bit of brown, but it's much pinker than it was before. It's actually managed to lighten the pink, which is pretty awesome. It didn't do much to my roots though, but I mean, I'm not surprised by that. It's very dark roots, and it's not like I can do anything about that really, except for bleaching my hair or using a darker colour. But holy shit, I might just get pastel again, because the thing is, it stained a lot, and I know vibrant and extreme will stain even more, so I don't know yet. I don't know, I'm definitely getting another one. See, there's some brown down here, but the thing is, I think that might be my fault because I didn't evenly distribute the product. Otherwise, this is good. This is good. It's all good. So yeah, recommend. Buying again. Bye.